How to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. Turning on Vanish mode on Instagram is quite easy and simple. So, first of all, you have to open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in on your Instagram account and then tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of the screen to access your chats. And now you have to open any chat that you would like to turn on the Vanish mode off. Once you open it, you need to tap on the once you open it, basically there are two different ways in order to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. So one is you can easily select the username at the top of the screen and here tap on the privacy and safety option and you will see Vanish mode. So you can simply toggle on the button and this will turn on Vanish mode. So send messages will disappear when you close the chat when the Vanish mode is turned on. So the next way is simply what you can do is let's come back to here and you can swipe up to turn on the Vanish mode. So that is how you can easily turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.